Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some inexpensive ways to deep condition your hair to keep it healthy. The reason why I decided to do this video is because I'm one of those persons who don't have a lot of money to spend on hair products, and my hair is doing pretty fine. It's alright, it not suffer from nothing, and it's a pity this video can't be a demo. I can't really do everything to show you guys. So I hope that you'll still enjoy me just talking and explaining everything instead of actually getting to show it. Alright, so the first thing that I would suggest is getting a cheap conditioner as your base. In my previous video, I spoke about Tresemme because that's the one I use for everything. So once you have that, you can mix anything with it. So when you need to do a protein treatment, what I mix with my Tresemme conditioner is Jerry Redding, and it's really not expensive. And you don't need to use it every week, as I mentioned before in previous videos. So that's one way of deep conditioning hair. That's a protein treatment. And then using the same Tresemme conditioner, you can add extra virgin olive oil to it. Extra virgin olive oil is pretty cheap. You can melt shea butter and add it to it. Shea butter is pretty inexpensive. And warm everything, mix it up, put it on your hair, leave it for 30 minutes, 1 hour, make sure everything's soaking, and that's a deep conditioner. That's number 2. Number 3, sometimes food such as banana, avocado, them they stay in their house till it can't eat no more, or probably no fault of yours, but you probably eat half and then you never get around to eating the other half, so it reach a point where you don't want to eat it anymore. So you can use the avocado, mix it with the olive oil, you get a deep conditioner. You can, same with banana. Sometimes the banana gets too soft, we don't want to eat it. Don't throw it away. Crush it up, blend everything, strain it, and mix it with your oils, your butter, and there we have it. That's our next deep conditioner, number 3. Also, you can add egg to that if you wish. Some people want them egg to eat and they don't want them egg for putting in them ear. That's fine, but if you wish to add it to it, you can. Another thing that you can use to deep condition your hair is mayonnaise. I don't remember if this, I think this is for moisture. Mayonnaise is for moisture, I think. Yeah, probably have a protein. I will look it up while I'm editing this video. So you can use mayonnaise also if it's fine with whoever you live with, or if you are with using mayonnaise in your hair, if you can afford to use mayonnaise in your hair, you probably have mayonnaise in your fridge, probably have a big jar that you're not using, and you don't need a lot really. You probably need like 2 tablespoons, and you do that probably every week. You can try something new. This week you will have banana, next week you will have avocado. You don't really have to buy a deep conditioner for $2,000, because they have Shea Moisture deep conditioners that I've used before, and they're not cheap. Right now, them reach like $2,200, $2,400 for 1 jar, and it probably lasts you, like, depending on the amount of hair you have. I don't really have a lot of hair, and I can make it last me probably a month and a half. I can make it last me. I have to try to make it last me that long. But if I'm supposed to use it how I really want to use it, it probably lasts me like 2 to 3 weeks using it every week. So that's pretty expensive. So if you don't want to spend your money on expensive deep conditioners that really don't last long anyway, those are 3 things that you can do that will still keep your hair healthy, still keep your hair shiny and bouncy and growing and flowing and all of that. And we have a lot of DIY deep conditioners on this channel. Dana mostly does DIY deep conditioners. Personally, me can't stand the smell of putting food in my hair, but I enjoy avocado hair mask mostly because it actually makes my hair really soft and shiny and defined, so, and feel strong. So I really enjoy using avocado. But a long time I don't have no avocado still, but yeah. So that's it. What I stick to, since I don't really like putting food in my hair, if I don't have any deep conditioner, I use my regular Tresemme conditioner and I add olive oil to it. I add any oil you have, coconut oil, any oil, add it to it, mix it up, warm it, put it in your hair, leave it. That's what I do. That's what I did for a long while. And whenever I get money, I just treat myself by buying a expensive deep conditioner. So it's really up to you what you prefer to do, but I'm just sharing with you guys tips on how you can not spend a lot of money and have healthy hair. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!